and welcome to my channel. Today I am branching away from my normal cake and cupcake type of videos, and I am making some cookies, but not just any cookies. I am making chocolate chip Oreo stuffed cookies. That is a chocolate chip cookie with a double stuffed Oreo on the inside. The next kind of baking holiday coming up is Father's Day, and my dad's favorite cookies are chocolate chip cookies, so I thought I would make some chocolate chip cookies, but with a twist. So I stuffed them with Oreos, and I think these are going to be delicious. Keep watching, I'm gonna show you how I made these. Okay, so what I've already done is made some chocolate chip cookie dough. I just make a super simple recipe like off of the chocolate chips. So I made this and then I popped it in the fridge just so it's a little bit cold and firm. That will just make it easier when you're molding it around the cookies. And then some Oreos. You can use normal Oreos, but I mean, if you're doing this, why not just go full out and make some double stuffed Oreos? So I got these ones. I'm gonna line a cookie sheet with parchment paper to put the cookies on. And they're gonna be a little bigger than when you make normal chocolate chip cookies, so just make sure they're spread out really well because they will spread a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Oreo, gonna take some cookie dough, and I'm just gonna start by kind of flattening it out like a disc, like a circle disc like this. Then I'm gonna place my Oreo in the center of that and just kind of fold this up the edges. And then take a second plop of cookie dough. And just do the same thing. Make like a little disc. This is probably a little bit too much. Put it on top. And then just like put the ends together. You can just kind of make sure your hands are clean and you can just firm them out so you have a nice little, well, not little, big cookie. And I'm just gonna do 2 across like this. If I was making normal chocolate chip cookies, I would put 3, but these are just so large that I'm gonna do 2, 2 here and 2 there. So I got my Oreo. And we're gonna make a disc. Flattened, plop, mold it up the sides. Make a second disc. And scrunch together. Okay, I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I will check them after 10, but sometimes they need a little longer just because of how large they are. Okay, so these took about 12 minutes at 375, and they're brown around the edges. You just wanna leave them on here for a couple minutes and they will actually like cook a little more, but this is what they look like. They're giant, like compared to my hand. They're very large, but I think they will be delicious. Okay, this is what it looks like cut open. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious. Look at that Oreo stuffed chocolate chip cookie. Yum. And this is the other side. This side, the white started spewing out right there when I cut it. These are definitely going to be delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you try these out. I'm really excited to eat it and see what it tastes like. And I'm excited to give them to other people to try because I think they are going to be a hit. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next baking video. Bye.